Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a brand new video. Now this video is going to be a special one because I've bought a motorbike, and it's not a road legal motorbike, it's just something for me to mess about on and have loads of fun on. So yeah, we'll be going in the woods with it, in fields with it, we'll be doing everything. But yeah, today we're just going to go down into the woods with it, and it should be really fun. I've not rid it too much, I've rid it once and I've literally gone like across a field on it, that's it, just because I was so excited to test it. It was pitch black in the field, so I didn't go very fast and I had someone at the back of it. But yeah, this time I want to go properly fast and do some proper riding with it. So yeah, it should be really good. I can't wait to go and ride it. But yeah, let me show you this beast. Okay guys, so that's the bike. It's a 125 pit bike and it's honestly so fast. I've not even took it at top speed yet. I've not even gone through all gears or anything, and already it's been so fast with 2 people on it. But yeah, today I'm gonna go down to woods with Dale, so let's go. Okay guys, we're in the woods now. We're here with Dale and we have got this amazing bike car. I cannot wait to rip it through these woods. It's gonna be so good. Let's get started. First kick. I'm just wheeling it! Ready for a wheeler? Ready for a wheelie, guys? Oh! I just almost died, but I've just wheeled it. That was sick.
Right, get on bike. Slowly, very slowly. You'll feel it pulling you. Get a tiny bit of edge. Tiny bit. Go on, mate, out slow. Out slow. Go in a bit. I want you to stop at them puddles. When you stop, hold the clutch in. Press that brake, and then hold the clutch in. Do not let go of the clutch. Turn that down. Right, go on, start it. Go on. Right, let me start it. Right, hold the clutch in for a bit now. Kick this up a little bit, kick it up. Kick it up, there you are. Right, hold that in now, hold it in, you're now in second. Now let clutch out slowly and put some meds on. Stop at the same place. Oh, Dale. He loves that. Oh, he's loving it. Go on, go for it.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any suggestions of where you want me to go on the bike or anything you want me to do with the bike, just let me know in the comments and I'll gladly do it. But yeah, it's a super fun bike. I definitely want to get out on it quite a lot. It's going to be hard to get out on it just because it's hard to find places to go, but yeah, I'm going to do my very best for you guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, remember to leave a like. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. And yeah, that's it from me, so I'll see you all in the next one.